In recent times, appearance, presentation, and confidence matters so much. The beauty and the hair industry has become one of the fastest way in making fast income. Wig making, wig revamping, and hairstyling are no longer just a skill to look at with mere eyes, but a skill to embrace because it's one of the fastest way of making fast money in Nigeria. If you're a woman or a guy and you don't have anything doing and you want to venture into a business, or you have an existing business and you want to start a side hustle, then this video is for you. Don't think about, oh, I don't know how to sew wig, I don't know how to make wig. Girl, I got you back. Sit tight and watch this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Bonnie's chat room. I am Tiki. You can call me Titi. On this channel we'll talk about everything business. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go ahead and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get every update we make. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. Remember, we rise by lifting others. And to my wonderful subscribers, thank you for believing in me. I don't take you for granted. Thank you. I'm grateful for your constant support. Today on the show, I will be talking about an important business sector that is becoming the fastest way of making money in Nigeria. You know why I call it the fastest way? Because it is something we all wear. We wear it on a daily basis and it's called wig making, wig revamping, and wig styling. You can see I'm wearing a wig. Now, I'm not the one that styled this wig. I'm not the one that made this wig. I'm not the one that revamped this wig, but someone did it for me and I had to pay money. So that's to tell you that this business is something that's come to stay. Every girl, every woman wears wig. So it's one of the ways to make money. You don't need a salon. You don't need a space. You don't need so much money to start this business. All you need is your phone. You can even stay in your bedroom and start getting clients. You get their wigs, you revamp it for them, you style it, and you treat their wigs for them. And you're making daily income by that. That is one business you should think about. If you have an existing business and you're thinking of a side hustle to go into, this is the kind of business you should be thinking of. And if you don't have anything doing and you're wondering, what should I do? This is the kind of business you should embrace. You don't need so much capital to do. All you need is your water, your treatment that you use to revamp people's wig, and you're good to go. And if you say, oh, I don't have money to buy treatment, I don't have money to start treating, then you can start doing people's wig, and all you need is a needle and a thread and you're good to go. If you don't have a mannequin to start with, you can start with a small bucket to put people's wig, sew it, give them their product perfectly well. Then when you grow from there, you start getting your mannequin and other products. This is a way of making daily income. The money may look small at the beginning, but by the time you check it, if you're charging 5,000 naira to revamp hair, or you're charging 10,000 naira in Nigerian currency to revamp hair, by the time you have up to 4 hair or 5 hairs in a week or a month, you have made some monies that will take you for the month, even if you don't have any other thing doing. So this is the kind of business I will urge you to embrace. Don't sit down and wait for the 9 to 5 job to come. It may come, perfect, but if it doesn't come, embrace this side hustle. Women are looking for who to revamp their hair. Women are looking for who to style their wig. Women are looking for who to make perfect wig styles for them. That is where you come in. And if you're saying, oh, I don't know how to do this, I need training, girl, this site, YouTube, you can learn anything. Go to YouTube and you learn whatever hairstyle you want to learn how to do, how to revamp hair, how to do wig. And before you know it, you're making money. So don't sleep on this. Embrace this opportunity. Don't sit down and watch others make money. Don't sit down and complain. Motivate yourself. Encourage yourself. Do something. Be better than you were in 2024. Don't sit down and watch others grow. Make sure you embrace this opportunity. This is the kind of business that will empower you. Because as a lady, as you revamp other people's hair, you style it, you bleach it, whatever the person wants, you color it. you're helping yourself. You don't need to pay someone to do yours for you. You now start empowering yourself. And before you know it, you're saving money for yourself. You're saving money, you're investing for the business, you're expanding. Because when you start, you can start with making wigs, revamping wigs. Before you know, someone will say, oh, I need to color my wig, I need to bleach my wig. You're expanding your business, you're getting more product from the same capital that you started with. And before you know it, you are growing by the day. So please don't sleep on this, embrace this, start a business, start a side hustle. If you found this video helpful, please go to the comment section and let me know what you think. You know, we are a family. So if you have any intention of starting this business and you need guidelines or you need someone to tell you how to go about it, please go to the comment section and let me know. And remember, I did a video about free skill acquisition for wig making. So if you're interested in that program, please go back, watch that video and let me know in the comment section. I will surely get back to you. Wig making, wig revamping, wig styling are not just beauty skills. They are lucrative, in demand, flexible, and future-proof businesses in a world where people want to look effortlessly good. These skills put money in your pockets on a daily basis. So this is where we draw the curtains on today's edition. Until next time, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.